Here are 7 ideas on how to start an easy side hustle and earn between $5,000 to $15,000 every single month. I've run my own online businesses for the past 7 years, and in this video I'm going to share with you things that I know 100% work because I have personally done them myself. So the first side hustle that I want to tell you about is muncheye.com. Muncheye is really a gold mine if you want to make sales, and you can get started for free. I'm going to show you exactly how. I've been doing a ton of promotions from muncheye.com. You can see just some of the results here on the screen. And in case you don't know it, muncheye.com is basically a calendar for upcoming launches of various software and training courses. So you can see today when I'm making this video, it's the 24th of June. So here are all the launches that are going to happen on the 24th of June. And then further ahead in the calendar, we can see there are about 5 to 10 launches per day, 25th of June, 26th, 27th, and so forth. The reason why this is important is because of how software launches work. Usually, as soon as a software goes live, for example, this AI video creator FX software, once it goes live on the 28th of June, there are going to be hundreds of affiliates trying to sell this software to the public, trying to advertise it, and hundreds of thousands of people around the world are going to start getting emails from the affiliates saying that this AI video creator FX software has gone live, and as is natural for humans, when they want to buy something, they're gonna start looking for reviews. So they're going to jump onto YouTube and they're going to type in AI video creator FX review just to see if they can find a review of this software. And guess what? There is not a single video on YouTube right now with the title AI video creator FX review. The reason why this is important is because this is a completely open opportunity for you, for anyone, to make a video, any kind of video, even if it's completely bad quality. As long as you make this video and you put in AI video creator FX review into the title of this video, is going to rank as #1 for this search, simply because there is no competition out there at all. And this is a very, very powerful model. Let me show you some of my previous results. For example, some time ago, I made a review about Profiteer, which was a training course that was launched quite a while ago now. But look, I made this very simple review. It got 3,300 views, all from organic YouTube search. And from this promotion, I made $856 in commissions from just making this quick video, which only took me less than an hour to make. The way that this works, once someone looks for this product review, they look at this video, and then if they like the review, they're going to go down here and they're going to click this link, which is the affiliate link for them to go ahead and buy the product. And you're going to get paid this commission. In my case, it was $856, but I've had some other more successful, slightly less successful videos that I've made. And if you are smart and you plan a little bit in advance, you're going to do this several days in advance, maybe 3, 5, or 7 days in advance, while there is still no competition. Because once this product goes live on the 28th of June, it's possible that a few people will make those video reviews, but they're going to be a few days behind you. So if you get in first and you upload your video first before this product actually goes live, you're going to be the first video on YouTube, and you're going to get a great chance of getting those views, and you're going to be able to make those commissions. In order to do that, click on the actual product and look at this, what's called the JV page. JV stands for joint venture. It's basically like affiliate information page. And usually over here on this page, you will be able to find all the information about the product. You will be able to apply for the link. So if you click this grab link, you'll be able to request your front end link, which is going to be your affiliate link that you're going to insert under the video, just over here, under the video over here. This is how the commission is going to be credited to you for anyone who buys via your link. Here on the JV page, you're also going to find the contact information of the people who are behind this launch. So the vendors, you can see Jay Sharma and Atul Parekh. So they're going to be their Facebook and their Skype links, so you can get in touch with them and ask for a review copy of the software so they can actually make the review. And to get the best results, you're going to be doing reviews of several products per day. Make it into a schedule, organize your promotions, and upload several videos per day, and you're going to eventually build up a stream of evergreen traffic and evergreen sales that just keep coming in on autopilot as more and more people are starting to search for this product. This is how I've made over 100,000 on Warrior Plus and over 100,000 on several other platforms, including JVZoo and ClickBank. So the strategy is real and it's really, really powerful. And guys, if you would like me to make a dedicated tutorial covering every single step in this process of how to make money on muncheye.com, then drop me a comment just below this video and let me know that you'd like me to record a full affiliate marketing tutorial, and I'll do that in the next few videos. The second side hustle that I love and I highly recommend is Instagram. Instagram is working great for me. This is my profile over here. I've got 37,000 followers on Instagram, and Instagram honestly is just super powerful. You can publish simple reels. My reels that I publish are nothing special, but they get tens of thousands of views. This one is almost at 100,000 views now. I've had some other reels that have hit 1 million views or more. And the best way to make money on Instagram is to make reels like this, and you can do this in any niche. There are tons of really good niches for Instagram. I'm just going to list them here on the screen so that you can see, and I'm going to show you a few examples. So check out this reel over here. This is basically just some footage of trees. You can totally just make this footage yourself driving in a car, or you can get any stock video to make this kind of footage. Then it's made a little bit darker, and then there is some motivational text and motivational voice that is announcing this text. Okay, and this is getting a ton of views. You can see there are 433 comments on this reel. And if we check out this account, you will see that these kind of reels are basically getting a ton of views. Look at this, 1.5 million views, 1.5 million views, okay, for a reel like this, where it's just footage of something else and it's this text. Here is another example of reels. So this account here, Create a Candle. You'll see that his reels, a lot of them are also getting tens of thousands of views. This one is 52,000 views. He's got quite a lot with 133,000 views, 271,000 views. And all it is, check this out, all it is just him typing away on a laptop, okay? And then some text that motivates you or gives you some kind of excitement or drives you forward to do something. And then he's got this description, okay? And then he's asking people to basically comment guide for a free blueprint. And whenever someone makes a comment, they get a reply with a link. You can insert this link, and it can be an affiliate link promoting something specific that is solving a problem for the people on Instagram. So if this profile is about how to start a business, then you could promote an offer that is about how to start a business online. If you decided to create an account in the fitness niche, you could promote a fitness offer. So just make similar reels, but addressing the problems that people in your niche have, and then you would insert a link over here that is an affiliate link for a good offer that your followers might actually want. If you wanted to start something like this, the best thing would be to find about 5 to 10 accounts and just really study them, study what they're doing, create very similar content, figure out what offers they're promoting, and then start promoting similar offers. Side hustle number 3 is YouTube. And I'm going to show you a way that I use YouTube to make very passive income. So let's jump over here and let's take a look at the videos that I've posted on YouTube with the most number of views. So I've had one with 5.5 million views. I've had one with 900,000 views. And the reason why I'm able to do this is because I target keyword search terms. So if we go into this video over here, for example, most profitable YouTube niches with 224,000 views. Okay, we're going to look at the analytics, and you'll see that this video is now about 1.5 years old, but it is still getting consistent views. It's still getting 410 views over the past 48 hours. Ad revenue on this video is just $287. That is because I turned off ads on this video because I'm monetizing it in a different way. In this video, I'm actually inviting people to buy my course, so that's how I monetize it. This is just to show you how powerful it can be that after almost 2 years, this video is still getting a ton of views. And this is because I targeted a very particular type of keyword, which is most profitable YouTube niches. If I search for this right now, most profitable YouTube niche, you will see that my video is still ranking as number 2. Likewise, here is another example, this video about the sales funnel, how to create a sales funnel for free. If we take a look at it, you'll see that it's getting about 67 views every 48 hours. The revenue is about $190. I'm happy with that. It's just a bit of extra income for me. The real monetization here is from the affiliate link. I'm showing in this tutorial how to do something in system.io, and then I'm giving my affiliate link to get a free account of system.io whenever someone signs up, and then they end up upgrading. I end up earning a commission. So I earn about $1,000 a month right now through system.io affiliate program, and that's from a couple of videos where I've basically done this. I've just done a tutorial about a particular software and put in my affiliate link underneath. Now, the reason this works so well is again because I've put in a very specific search term, and this video is just getting evergreen views simply from people searching for this term and finding my video over here. And if you want me to show you more about this method, then also just drop me a comment below and tell me that make a full tutorial on strategy number 3, and I'll do this for you in the next couple of weeks. Next side hustle strategy is to become a YouTube video editor. There is a huge demand for YouTube video editors out there. I have actually always wanted to have a video editor, and I've recently found a video editor that I'm really happy with. But video editors can earn really good money. It can range anywhere from sort of about $5 per hour of your time up to about $20, $30, $40 per hour of your time. And that will of course depend on your country, on your experience level, and what kind of customers you can find. But if you go onto upwork.com just to get an idea, and I've searched for YouTube editor over here, here are the listings of YouTube video editors along with their hourly rates. There are some who advertise their hourly rate at $40 per hour, some who advertise it at $10 per hour. The point is that there's definitely demand for this kind of service. And you can go onto udemy.com and search for YouTube video editing courses and complete any of these courses. And once you've learned some of the basics from Udemy, you can go on YouTube and start searching for some more specific courses. For example, if you type in for how to edit like Isaac, that will give you tutorials about how to edit in this particular style that's just really popular and really engaging right now. So you can learn how to do this by just watching these YouTube videos. Once you know how to edit videos like this, you can get onto upwork.com and you can create your profiles, and you can start with a lower rate per hour. And then once you've got a few customers and you've got a few testimonials, you can start looking for clients who perhaps are running larger YouTube channels and are willing to pay you more. Next side hustle is usertesting.com. If you go onto usertesting.com and then at the very top go on get paid to test, this is where you can sign up to become a tester of applications and websites. As you can see, it says it's the ultimate side hustle. It's easy, fast, and simple. All you need to do is to just share your perspective on products and experiences and make money online from the comfort of your home. You can test online apps for all of these companies. You can see here the scrolling list. So user testing works with very legitimate companies like Subway, GoDaddy, Canva. You'll see in the testimonials, user testing actually pays quite well. So as far as I'm aware, user testing is one of the most legit user testing companies online. You'll see that from testimonials. There are many people that make hundreds of dollars by doing different assignments. They can be as short as 5 minutes up to about 1 hour. So go ahead, sign up. It's a really fun way to make some extra money. Next side hustle is Cambly.com. Cambly is a platform where you can become a tutor of English language, or you can find a tutor who will help you learn English. So it's a platform that connects students and tutors, and you can earn money by being a tutor. So if you go into tutors, you'll be able to see that here are the different profiles of the tutors that are available on Cambly. Now, if you go to resources at the top, scroll down, you will see something that says become a tutor. Click on that and you'll be able to sign up to become a Cambly tutor. With Cambly, you can get paid weekly and you can make $10.20 per hour or $12 per hour on Cambly Kids. So if you teach kids, the pay is a little bit higher. You can review all the information here, and then when you're ready, just click get started and you can submit your application to Cambly, which will get reviewed. It's available worldwide. As long as your English is at a native or a bilingual proficiency, you can apply to become a Cambly tutor. The last side hustle that I want to tell you about is available at fastervideos.com. If you go to fastervideos.com, you'll land on a page that looks like this, and this is actually a training course that my business partner Alan and I have put together, and it is available for a $0 access on a 7-day trial. So it's completely free for you to get started. And we teach inside this training course a strategy about how to post 7-second videos and exactly how we've been doing this to bring in over $928 a day using these 7-second videos. Using these methods, we've actually generated over 10 million views and over $330,000 within a year. So you can see a lot of the proof here, and we teach you how you can do the exact same thing by making very, very short and simple social media videos and publishing them. To grab your free access, just go to fastervideos.com and you'll be able to get inside this training course. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed it, then please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and after you've done that, go ahead and watch this video next. I'm showing a really unique way that I've recently discovered about how you can make money online that no one else is teaching. So go ahead and watch this video next, and I'll see you there.